Welcome to Anna's Coastal Kitchen. I want to give you a little tour of my new coastal kitchen in Lewis, Delaware. It was a little bittersweet leaving Alexandria, Virginia, but here we are. Wasn't a lot of furniture at first, but we're getting there. My nieces came and helped me, and they're such a big help. Took a little nap in front of the fireplace. There's my love, David Taylor, taking a much-needed break.
Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of my new kitchen. Here is my pantry, which I just love. I mean, how exciting to just be able to organize your stuff so well. I got these awesome anchor hogging jars for my flour and sugar, powdered sugar, and so much storage. It's really exciting. I know you're thrilled too. So here's my new awesome gourmet kitchen, having a little coffee this morning. Some of the features of my kitchen that I just love is this corner cabinet, the quarter glass cabinet. And then my Lazy Susan, which is really great. I have so much in here that I have keeping organized. And there is room for everything. And extra room, so I'm really kind of excited about that. And then these cabinets are so great with the pull-out drawers. Absolutely love it. Still have to buy a new set of cookware for Anna's Coastal Kitchen. So much storage in here. My mom's ricer, which I kept. Yep, so here is my nice new gas stove. Just love it. Love it. And I do love you guys to the beach and back. So yeah, so much storage. Another favorite pull-out drawer, and I got these organizing things to hold up my sheet pans. And of course, this comes out as well. And I got this beautiful cheese board set, which I can't wait to use when I entertain. Yeah, and so here's my double ovens, convection. Again, so much storage that I'm so excited about that. So my kitchen is really light and bright. I decided to do it in a light gray, and my counters are the granite. So I decided to go with the granite because I just love the color of the granite. And so yeah, I did a clear backsplash, which actually looks aqua blue against the walls, and I just love it. My first Keurig and my cute little 6-slice toaster. Yeah, so this is just beautiful. I'm just so happy with it. I'm so happy with the pendant lights that I chose, and really just the whole look. Looks pretty awesome. Yeah, this has so much storage that I just don't know what to do. Just so exciting. My stools came, and my dining room set came. Just a farmhouse table. I really love it. Very comfortable. I have a lot of windows in here. Just light and bright. Pretty backyard. And so that's it. I will see you guys soon, and I'll be cooking in this coastal kitchen.
I had a wonderful Mother's Day. My baby came to visit. We had a delicious crab cake dinner at Woody's. I have a wonderful farm right around the corner, Maggie's Farm. They have great produce, delicious berries, and their Pick Your Own just started this week. So I will be putting together a berry episode for you for next week. I just love this place. So delicious. They have preserves as well. Here's the view from the front of my house. You can see the dairy farm. It's bittersweet saying goodbye to my baby. We took a walk on the boardwalk at Rehoboth. This is a view at night looking out from the front of my house to the farm. It is gorgeous. My office is set up, almost, where I'll be doing all my Anna's Coastal Kitchen video work. Friends stopped by from high school, Amy and Keith. Loved seeing them. I loved shopping on Rehoboth Avenue. Great shops. And I just had a great day. Decided to have some mental therapy and enjoyed all the delicious snacks and the beautiful weather. It was just gorgeous. So I can't believe this is my new home, and I'm really looking forward to you all joining me on my future episodes. My best friend had a cross made for me to remind me of my mom. And there's that kitchen and the dining room, finished. We had a beautiful sunset last night as well. I am so grateful and happy. Can't wait to see you guys on my next episode of Anna's Coastal Kitchen. See you soon, and I love you all to the beach and back.